Hello everyone. In today's video, we will talk about this question. So the output of this one is compilation error because if you look at this line with for loop, it is having both pre-increment and post-increment operator. So usually we can either have pre-increment or post-increment on any variable. We cannot have both at a time in C programming. So either you should use this one or either you should use pre-increment or post-increment. Okay, so in case if you want to do both operation, you can do one by one. So let me play around this with this question, and this way you will understand more concepts. So for that, let me create a file. So I'm logged into my virtual machine, Linux virtual machine, and I will delete everything from here in this directory. Okay, I don't have anything here. Clear the screen. So using VI editor, I will create one file main.c. You can create any file with with any name. I will edit it. I will go in the insert mode to start typing. I'll press I since I'm in VI editor. And instead of writing it from scratch, I can copy it from here. Right click copy. I'll go back to my VI editor and just do mouse right click. It will show me a pop-up that you are pasting this much. I'll say okay. Before compiling this, if I compile as it is, I will get compilation error because I haven't included the header file for printf. The header file for printf is stdio.h. Okay, so I should be good. Now, if I compile this program, I will press escape key, shift colon, write and quit. WQ means write and quit. I will press enter. I came out of VI editor. I will compile this using GCC compiler, and I will produce -o. I'll produce output file or binary file name as main.out, or I can give a new like main.exe, whatever you want. But exe is used is extension I believe mostly used on Windows, so you should not use. But let's create main.exe output file. It got compiled. No, sorry, it is not compiled because we have an error in the program. We have only one error, which is at line number 6. It says L value required as an increment operand. So the message is not exact what we were expecting, but yeah, it's because of this. So I will just use I++. Let me change it, write and quit. Let me compile it again. It got compiled. I can check that by making sure that I have binary or output file in the directory. So I can see we have this compiler has produced one binary main.exe, and if I want to run, I can just say /main.exe. If I run, it will say it is printing hello 5 times. It is printing on the same line of this terminal name. So for that, what we can do is, and we have already done this in previous examples or videos. Before executing, I can just print I can print just one new line character /n. If I run it now, so since I have modified the code, I should compile it again. It got compiled. Let me run it. Running, so it is printing hello 5 times. Yeah, if you want to print hello on each line, you can make use of /n, but we will keep it as it is for now. Now, as I said earlier, you cannot do pre-increment or post-increment at a time, but you can do in the next statement. So what you can do is, after printing, so remember this I++ is executed after printing this, after completing this block. Since in this block we have already one statement, one printf statement, after printing this on the console, the control will go back to I++. So before doing I++, what I can do is I can do ++I. So what will happen? Before incrementing, it will increase its value by using pre-increment operator. So if the first time value of I is 0, then it will say ++I. That means I value will become 1, and after that this will be executed. So now again this will become 2, and after 2 it will check whether 2 is less than 5 or not, which is 2, and it will print it, and this will continue. So let's see, since we are incrementing value of I 2 times after each print, after printing this hello, uh, so in that case it will not print 5 times, it will, let's see how many times it prints. Let me save it and let's compile it again. It has been compiled. Let me run it. If you see here, it is printing only 3 times because it is not running, the 5 loop is not running 5 times because we are incrementing value of I 3 times. Let me go back. So this is one another way of incrementing value of I 2, or there is one more way. The other way is, instead of doing increment or post increment, pre-increment or post increment, we can do also like this, I plus 2. So this will also increase the value of I by 2 every time. Let's compile it. Let's write and quit. Let's compile it one more time. Now let me run it. If I run, the output should be same. When I say output should be same, it will print hello 3 times. Okay. So this is about for loop, incrementing it 2 times. I'll just keep it. Yeah. To solve the purpose we were looking for, I plus 2. Or if you're using the shorthand, if you want to use a shorthand operator, you can, instead of writing this, you can also write I plus equal to 2. This will also do the same thing. So let me show you by compiling it. Let me first save. Let me compile it one more time. I will clear the screen and I will run it one more time. You see the output is same. So I'll go back to the program. So to increment the value of I 2 times, there are a couple of ways. You can say I plus equal to 2, or you can say I equal to I plus 2, or you can pre-increment after printf, or do post increment here, or instead of having pre-increment or post increment, you can just have post increment 2 times in the program. So you can play around with this. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show in this program. Thanks for watching.